1. 1937 Ford 5 Window Coupe Street Rod. Price $29,900. Located in Farmington Hills, Michigan. This 1937 Ford 5 Window Coupe Street Rod is a beautifully engineered custom build that combines classic pre-war styling with modern performance and luxury features. Built using an OZE Rod's shop body and frame, this vehicle benefits from high-quality craftsmanship and a solid structural foundation designed for both reliability and show-quality presentation. The sleek black exterior is complemented by a refined black leather interior, creating a cohesive and aggressive look that stands out on the road or at any event. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 crate engine paired with a Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and Mallory distributor, delivering strong and consistent performance. The engine is enhanced with hooker headers and side pipes, producing a bold and unmistakable exhaust note. The vehicle is equipped with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and effortless driving. One of the standout features is the Aquair four-wheel air suspension system, allowing adjustable ride height for both comfort and visual appeal. The independent front suspension and four-wheel disc brakes with aluminum calipers provide excellent handling and stopping power. Large three-piece wheels, measuring 19 inches in the front and 22 inches in the rear, further enhance its stance. Additional features include vintage air climate control, power hood and trunk, and a high-quality finish combining pearl metallic white and flat black accents, making the street rod both stylish and highly functional. 2. 1939 Ford Street Rod. Price $31,500. Located in Sellersburg, Indiana. This 1939 Ford Street Rod is a solid and dependable custom build that blends classic all-steel construction with reliable modern performance components. Designed to be both a driver and a show car, this vehicle offers a clean satin black exterior paired with a black cloth interior, giving it a timeless and aggressive appearance that stands out wherever it goes. Built by a professional steel fabrication shop, this car reflects quality craftsmanship rather than a basic garage project, ensuring durability and attention to detail throughout. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 351 Windsor engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a strong and smooth driving experience. The drivetrain is supported by a Ford 9-inch rear end, known for its strength and reliability, making it well-suited for both cruising and occasional spirited driving. American Racing Torque thrust wheels enhance both performance and style, giving the car a classic hot rod stance. This vehicle has remained within the same family since its original build, adding a sense of history and care to its background. As a second-owner car, it has been well-maintained and continues to perform reliably. It is described as a head-turner that attracts attention at shows and on the road. Overall, this 1939 Ford Street Rod is a well-built and dependable classic that offers style, performance, and proven craftsmanship. 3. 1934 Ford 3 Window Street Rod. Price $65,000. Located in Crossville, Tennessee. This 1934 Ford 3 Window Street Rod is a high-end custom build that combines premium components, expert craftsmanship, and modern technology into a stunning show-quality vehicle. Built over the course of 3 years, this car reflects a meticulous approach to detail and design, resulting in a finished product that stands out in both performance and appearance. The bright yellow exterior, accented with custom pinstriping, is paired with an elegant off-white interior, creating a bold yet refined look. The vehicle features a Gibbons fiberglass body mounted on a Pete and Jake's custom frame, providing a strong and reliable foundation. The suspension system includes a chrome 4-link setup and a 4-inch dropped axle, delivering both improved handling and an aggressive stance. Power comes from a 1993 LT2 Corvette fuel-injected engine, paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission, offering smooth and efficient performance. Additional features include a Ford 9-inch rear end, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electric trunk, and remote door poppers. Foose wheels wrapped in performance tires enhance both the look and drivability of the car. The interior includes a tilt steering column and custom detailing throughout. This 1934 Ford 3 Window Street Rod is a premium build designed for both show and road use. 4. 1937 Ford Wild Rod Coupe. Price $69,500. Located in Waterford, Michigan. This 1937 Ford Wild Rod Coupe is a fully custom-built hot rod that delivers a perfect combination of aggressive styling, modern features, and reliable performance. With only around 1,390 miles driven, this vehicle remains in excellent condition and reflects the high level of care and craftsmanship invested in its build. The vibrant red exterior is complemented by a tan interior, creating a striking contrast that enhances its visual appeal. The car is built on a fully custom chassis equipped with air ride suspension on all four corners, allowing adjustable ride height and improved driving comfort. Under the hood, it is powered by a Chevrolet 350 engine with tuned port injection, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth and responsive performance. This setup ensures both reliability and efficiency while maintaining strong power output. Modern conveniences include power windows and magnetic door poppers, adding both functionality and a clean exterior look without traditional handles. The overall build quality is described as exceptional, making it a true show-quality vehicle that also performs well on the road. This 1937 Ford Wild Rod Coupe is a standout custom car that offers style, performance, and modern comfort in one impressive package. 5. 1940 Buick Street Rod Coupe. Price $45,000. Located in Downers Grove, Illinois. This 1940 Buick Street Rod Coupe is a beautifully built custom classic that blends vintage elegance with strong performance and modern driving comfort. With its smooth body lines and timeless coupe styling, this vehicle offers a distinctive presence that sets it apart from more common hot rod builds. The car has been carefully maintained and stored in a heated garage, with limited use primarily for cruise nights and car shows, preserving its overall condition and appeal. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a Chevrolet 396 big block engine equipped with a mild cam, delivering strong torque and a deep, aggressive sound. The engine is paired with a 400 automatic transmission, providing smooth and reliable shifting. Additional features such as power steering and power brakes enhance drivability, making it comfortable and easy to handle despite its performance capabilities. The car also includes modern amenities such as vintage air climate control and a high-quality sound system, offering both comfort and entertainment during drives. A full stainless steel exhaust system not only improves durability but also contributes to the car's powerful exhaust tone. With just over 3,000 miles driven since its build, this 1940 Buick Street Rod remains a clean and well-preserved example, ideal for enthusiasts seeking style, performance, and comfort. 6. 1939 Chevrolet Business Coupe. Price $20,000. Located in Benton, Kentucky. This 1939 Chevrolet Business Coupe is a custom-built street rod that combines classic styling with a unique mix of performance components. Finished in a rich burgundy tone, often described as Brandywine metallic, the exterior is complemented by a matching interior, creating a cohesive and eye-catching appearance. The car maintains the elegant lines of its original design while incorporating significant mechanical upgrades for improved performance. Under the hood, this coupe is powered by a Ford 460 engine, delivering strong and reliable power. The engine is paired with a C6 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth operation and durability. The drivetrain is further supported by an 8.8 rear end, providing a solid and dependable setup for both cruising and occasional spirited driving. What makes this vehicle particularly interesting is its combination of Chevrolet body styling with Ford running gear, showcasing a creative and unconventional approach to hot rod building. With approximately 1,600 miles driven, the car remains in excellent condition and is ready for immediate enjoyment. This 1939 Chevrolet Business Coupe is a unique and well-executed custom build that offers both individuality and strong performance for classic car enthusiasts. 7. 1939 Chevrolet Master Sedan Street Rod. Price $35,000. Located in Dixon, Tennessee. This 1939 Chevrolet Master Sedan Street Rod is a clean and well-presented custom build designed for both show and driving enjoyment. Featuring a classic four-door sedan body style, this vehicle stands out with its custom paintwork and attention to detail, making it a proven show winner that attracts attention wherever it goes. The exterior is complemented by a well-maintained interior, creating a balanced and appealing overall presentation. Under the hood, the car is equipped with a 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing a reliable and easy-to-drive combination. This setup ensures smooth performance and makes the vehicle suitable for cruising, car shows, and casual weekend drives. The drivetrain has been built with practicality in mind, offering both dependability and sufficient power. The vehicle rides on custom wheels and tires that enhance its stance and visual appeal while contributing to a comfortable driving experience. The overall build quality is solid, and the car is described as running and driving very well. This 1939 Chevrolet Master Sedan Street Rod is an excellent option for enthusiasts looking for a stylish, dependable, and show-ready classic that delivers both comfort and performance. 8. 1937 Ford two-door sedan humpback. Price $7,400. Located in Cardington, Ohio. This 1937 Ford two-door sedan humpback is a remarkably original survivor that offers a rare opportunity to own a largely untouched piece of automotive history. Unlike many classic cars that have been heavily modified or restored, this vehicle retains approximately 95% of its original components, including its factory paint, interior, engine, and transmission. This level of originality makes it especially appealing to collectors who value authenticity and preservation over customization. The car has had only 2 owners, with the current ownership tracing directly back to the original family, adding a strong sense of provenance and history. The body is reported to be in excellent condition with minimal rust, aside from minor bubbling on one rear fender. The interior remains in impressive shape for its age, reflecting careful use and long-term preservation. Mechanically, the vehicle is currently not running, as the engine is stuck and will require attention to bring it back to life. However, the car rolls freely, the tires hold air, and the transmission still shifts through gears, making it a solid candidate for restoration. This 1937 Ford Humpback is ideal for enthusiasts looking for an authentic restoration project with strong originality and historical value. 9. 1937 Plymouth Sedan Street Rod. Price $16,500. Located in Beattyville, Kentucky. This 1937 Plymouth Sedan Street Rod is a classic custom build that combines vintage styling with dependable performance components, creating a practical and enjoyable cruiser. Built in the mid-1990s, this vehicle reflects a traditional approach to street rod construction, offering a blend of old-school design and proven mechanical reliability. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent performance. The drivetrain is supported by a Nova rear end, while the front features a Jaguar suspension system, improving ride quality and handling compared to original factory components. The vehicle is equipped with manual drum brakes and manual steering, maintaining a more classic driving feel. Despite its age, the car runs and drives well, making it suitable for cruising and attending local events. Its overall condition is described as good, though it may show some signs of wear consistent with its build era. This Plymouth stands out as a cool and attention-grabbing cruiser that offers both character and usability. It is a solid option for enthusiasts seeking a classic street rod with personality and dependable performance. 10. 1961 Morris Minor 1000 Street Strip. Price $30,000. Located in Berea, Kentucky. This 1961 Morris Minor 1000 Street Strip is an extraordinary custom build that transforms a small classic British car into a high-performance machine with extreme power and capability. Far from its original modest design, this vehicle has been heavily modified to deliver impressive speed and acceleration, making it a true standout in both street and strip environments. Its bold purple exterior, matched with a similarly styled interior, gives it a vibrant and aggressive appearance that reflects its performance potential. Under the hood lies a powerful 434 cubic inch Dart engine paired with Brodix heads, producing well over 600 horsepower. In addition to this already impressive setup, The car is equipped with a nitrous system capable of delivering an additional 500 horsepower boost when activated. This combination results in an incredibly fast and responsive vehicle, capable of achieving serious performance numbers. The drivetrain is matched with an automatic transmission, ensuring consistent and controlled power delivery. With a lightweight body estimated around 1,700 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio is exceptional, contributing to its ability to perform at a very high level. With just over 1,000 miles driven, this build remains fresh and well-maintained. This Morris Minor is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a unique and powerful street and strip machine. 11. 1936 Dodge Street Rod. Price $30,999. Located in Brookville, Ohio. This 1936 Dodge Street Rod is a well-equipped custom build that blends classic styling with strong performance and modern convenience features. Built with a fiberglass body, this vehicle offers durability while maintaining the timeless look of a vintage street rod. The gray exterior is complemented by a red interior, creating a bold and attractive color combination that enhances its overall presence. Power comes from a 331 Chrysler Hemi engine that has received internal upgrades, including a performance camshaft, giving it a strong and aggressive sound. The engine is paired with a 727 automatic transmission equipped with a TCI 2500 stall converter, delivering smooth and responsive performance. Supporting components include an XL HEI distributor and a Hotheads power steering system, improving both reliability and drivability. The vehicle is also equipped with power disc brakes, power windows, and a full set of odometer gauges, adding comfort and functionality. Custom touches such as shaved door handles with poppers, a billet dashboard, and a Dan Fink hood system enhance its modern street rod appeal. Overall, this 1936 Dodge Street Rod is a stylish and capable custom car that offers performance, comfort, and classic appeal in one complete package.